Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the cameras, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a 2014 Challenger. Now this is a Challenger with customer preferred group package 27F. You may ask yourself, what is 27F? Well, I'm going to tell you. Exterior appearance group by Mopar, decal kit by Mopar, hood scoop by Mopar, Super Track Pack Edition, of course, by the great Mopar people. It's got performance tires, track tuned suspension, let's say performance steering and variable displacement pump. Isn't that nice?
It is
These
nice.
Beautiful wheels and the blue calipers. It's such a nice looking car. It's got, oh, the cool old-timey fuel. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that nice?
I know, the chrome filler cap, it looks like the older ones. Here's the key, you can pop the trunk with it.
Oh, double tap this. And look at this big, gigantic Mopar type trunk. These are so comfortable.
They are very big and very comfortable. Plenty of space back here, nice Dodge floor mats.
You need space.
And trunk mat down there.
You know what I need to do? Get ready for the hood opening.
Yes, the hood has the hood pins.
Yes.
I'm assuming that's also part of the appearance package.
It just must be. It just must be.
Door panels, beautiful interior and seats.
Oh, yes.
I like the blue on there, on the stitching and on the sills. Very cool. And design on the console. I don't know if we mentioned, this is the 5.7 liter.
Oh, yes.
And the speeds are shifted manually.
It is a 6-speed Tremec, and it is 375 horse, which I've already given you trouble about it, Jake, but I mean, it just doesn't seem like a lot of horse.
Well, nowadays it doesn't, but that was plenty. It still is plenty. I think over 400 pound-feet of torque.
Yes.
And you're losing less of that power through the drivetrain because it's a manual.
It's a manual.
Not an automatic. There's the 5.7 there. Very nice.
It's tucked right in here, isn't it?
It is in pristine condition too. 25,000 miles and some change.
Yeah, barely any miles at all.
I know, wasn't driven very much. The hood scoop is awesome looking. The stripe package is awesome looking.
Mopar does like their colors very, very vibrant, don't they?
Yes, they do. What is this color called?
White knuckle.
White knuckle.
It's my favorite.
It's just amazing. All right, you ready to drive this thing?
I am ready to drive it. You ready?
Let's do it. It's got a rumble. I like the big single tail light on these earlier Challengers. Not super loud, but just rumbly enough. And the metal flake on that stripe is awesome looking. Oh, there's all the lights and the fog lights. It's a good looking car. I love the chrome filler cap. The race style filler cap like the old Mopars. It's cool homage. Got the louvers on the back. Makes a good noise. And really fat, massive tires. Because of course, you need those. Here you go, Chris.
Yay!
Are you ready to handle 6 speeds?
I am.
Of Challenger goodness. Oh man. And we're inside and I have a real seatbelt back here.
For real people.
For real life people.
And we are real people, aren't we? Yeah, we're real.
Let's take off. I also love how the start button says "Wake the Beast."
I know, it is cool. It is waking the beast.
And it's blue like the rest of the decals and stuff on the car. Got Challenger here in the dash. Dash is this old Chrysler plasticky material, but you know, it's in great condition. No cracks or nothing.
Tremec 6-speed.
Tremec 6-speed. I also love the design on the console here and on the front.
It's like carbon fiber.
It's kind of like carbon fiber. Not really. It's cool weave design. It's just plastic. But the shifter right here, 6 speeds. You got the radio up here, FM, AM, satellite if you want it, disc, and aux. And you got your AC controls down here.
Whoa.
Real physical buttons. Very nice.
25,192 miles.
25,000, that's it.
That's it.
Very
crazy.
Buttony steering wheel.
That's what it is.
A lot of buttons. You have a little page button over there too. You can look through some pages on the dash there. And in one of the pages you can get a 0 to 60 timer, which is something I didn't know you could do on a what year is this? 2014 Challenger. I thought that was more of like with the later cars.
Like the Demons
like
and
the Demons
whatnot.
and stuff, but no, you have a 0 to 60 timer in this one too.
What I like about this is the gauges are real gauges.
I know. They're not digital. They're analog with needles. That is very cool.
Ooh.
It's peppy.
It is peppy.
Especially with the 6-speed. Oh, goodness.
Ooh. Man, I like this. I like this car because my neck doesn't have to bend funny ways to get in it, and it's comfortable, and it's a 6-speed.
It's massive and spacious because it's still a Mopar product. And they've always been performance-oriented. They like a good time over there at Mopar.
Oh, they do.
Especially with this, I love the hood scoop. The sun glinting off the blue stripes.
And just so you guys know, we have some Mopars coming up. They're going to blow the doors off.
Yeah, we just took in a couple awesome Mopars, 3 of them actually. 4. Two Roadrunners, 2 Chargers.
Right, 269 Chargers.
Or sorry, a Roadrunner, a Super Bee, and 2 Chargers.
That's right. Coming soon.
They have really cool colors.
Different colors.
Awesome
high
engines.
impact colors, right? Top colors.
Yes.
Oh, this is buttery. And it's very short throw.
Yeah.
Have you driven it?
I have, a little bit.
Oh, you're going to like it a lot. It's fun.
Yeah, the 6-speed in this feels tremendous. I think it is electronically controlled, tilty and telescopy. There should be buttons somewhere. Well, we found the tilty and the telescopy. It's not electronic, but you can do both. Just under the steering wheel.
Which is nice. I'll move it back for you.
Nice.
Up.
I like the white-faced gauges. They look very cool. We have electronic windows. Woogie, woogie, woogie.
Boogie, woogie, woogie, indeed.
And we do have back seats.
And they're for real people.
For real people. I think you could fit adults back there. The legroom isn't terrible. Very nice back seats. The interior is in pristine condition. I mean, it doesn't look like anyone's ever been in here.
Wow. Sorry, I had to put the AC on to see if it worked, and it does.
Oh, it does. Oh, it's freezing cold.
It's auto.
It's turned all the way down. I'm going to turn it up a little bit. Yeah, feels amazing. You do have the old cigarette lighter charger down here, but no actual cigarette lighter, so you can't take up smoking. The traction control button is big, right there. Right in front where you can see it, because Mopar knows how to party. It's quiet, too, with the windows up.
It is a great, quiet Dodge. It really is very nice.
Yeah, and with 6 speeds, you can get this thing on the highway, low in the RPMs. 80 to 90 miles an hour, not that you should.
No.
Speed limit. But you have cruise control. You can just set it and forget it. Bomb across the country in comfort.
Yep.
And you have 5.7 liters of HEMI.
Of awesomeness.
Of awesome HEMI. And again, the 5.7, yes, it's not the 6.4 or the newer 6.2, so it's not as powerful, but 375 horse, and I believe over 400 pound-feet or around there.
Like 410. There's nothing to sneeze at with the car. I mean, it's good.
That's plenty. That's all you need. And again, I'd rather have slightly less power and manual gears than an automatic. I think it's just fun.
It is fun.
He's downshifting, ladies and gentlemen. We're almost up to our bean test. We get to see how many beans this has.
It's got a few.
Just a few.
I like it. I was kind of at first like, 375, but my God, that's a lot faster than they used to.
Again, we've been spoiled by horsepower. That's a lot of power.
It is.
Second gear. Oh, goodness. He really bank shifted that.
Sorry, there's a car in front of me. I can't go any further.
Yeah, but you didn't need to. We were already doing 60. I mean 35.
50.
35 miles an hour.
32. Boy, it's nice. It's really comfortable. Everyone should understand. Well, anyone who hasn't driven one doesn't know, but
it handles decent too. It's big and heavy, but it's got really direct steering because it's a newer car. The bolsters are nice. They're wide for someone like me, but it's made for bigger people because it's a Challenger.
They are.
But they are nicely bolstered. And my seat is manual, but your seat over there is electric.
Manuel.
Oh.
Fire department. What's on fire?
Nothing. Their lights aren't on.
Well, let's find out.
We're here to do flybys, though.
Yeah, so we gotta be
I'm ready to hear this from the outside. I don't think it's that loud, but it's got a nice rumble when you started it up.
It's rumbly.
It sounded good.
The emergency brake is down here on the left side by your feet.
Yeah, it's a foot emergency brake, and it's a pull to release it.
I'm not used to that with these, but that's okay. It's very comfortable. It's very, very comfortable. I like the comfort, and it does move.
Some flybys?
Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Does sound good. I think he'll be surprised. Pleasantly surprised with the nice noise it makes. It's refined. Let's say refined. That's a good way of saying it. Huh. And Jake gives me trouble. The Tremec in these cars is so nice. Man, automatics, not my favorite thing, but the Tremec's a wonderful transmission, people. Here we go. Ooh, Jake, the proverbial snake, making it happen.
Oh, hello.
Oh, it sounded really good when you passed by.
It is no slouch. It skirted the tires in the second, and it skirted the tires in the third, and I'm sure it might have in the fourth if I wanted to go that fast, but I don't.
Good
but
for
yeah,
you.
the 5.7 is plenty to lug this thing around.
And it did sound good.
A lot of torque. Did it sound good?
Yes, it did. It was very refined, but very, very rumbly.
It looks fantastic.
It does.
I love the hood scoop. I love the stripe package. I love the stripes on the side. Very nice. 6-speed manual transmission. That was buttery. It is so buttery and easy to use. All right, this thing's cool, but are you ready to take it back?
Yeah, I guess so.
I guess we have to.
It is nice.
I kind of want to keep it.